Hi and welcome to a new video. Would you like to clear your search history on YouTube or perhaps prevent the app from keeping track of your activities? In this video, I will show you how to do just that on your iPhone. Let's go. Before you start, make sure that you're running the latest version of YouTube so that you can access its new features. To check for any updates, head to the App Store, search for YouTube, and then click on the Update button if it's available. It is common knowledge that YouTube keeps a record of your activity within the app, including the videos you watch and the searches you perform. This enabled their algorithm to provide you with more precise video recommendations and search box suggestions based on your preferences. However, if you don't want your activities on record, you can easily clear them directly from the app. Now, let's get started. If you only want to delete certain entries from your history, simply tap on the search icon to access the search box. By default, all your previous searches are displayed as suggestions. To remove a particular entry from the list, slide it to the left and tap on Delete. Alternatively, you can go to your profile, tap on Settings, and select Manage All History. Proceed to the History tab and browse your watch and search activities below. Then tap on the X button beside each entry that you want to erase. If you don't want to delete your search history one by one, you can simply tap on the Delete option above your list of activities and choose the time range either for today or all-time records. On the other hand, if you wish to stop YouTube from recording your search history entirely and avoid having to delete it constantly, navigate to the Controls tab. Here you have two options. First, you can press Turn Off to completely deactivate the tracking. Once disabled, both your watch and search history will not be recorded. The second option is to simply uncheck Include your searches on YouTube and press the Pause button to pause only your YouTube search history. But if you don't necessarily want to stop YouTube from recording your activities and would rather disable it on certain days only, you can go incognito as an alternative. To do this, tap on your profile above the dashboard and then press Turn on Incognito from the menu. While in incognito mode, your activities, including your searches and the videos you watch, are off the record. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.